Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your business with PayPal step by step clearly. Open a web browser and go to the PayPal homepage. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner. Choose between a personal or business account and select business. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Click continue to proceed to the next step. Provide your business information, including the business name and type. Enter your contact information, such as your phone number and address. Read and accept the user agreement and privacy policy, then click Agree and create account. Once your account is created, you'll be directed to the account dashboard. Locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on Account Settings to access security features. Go to the Security section to explore options for enhancing account security. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. Link a verified credit or debit card to your PayPal account for secure transactions. Set up your funding sources to ensure smooth transaction processing. Review your transaction history regularly to monitor for any unauthorized activity. Consider integrating PayPal's security features, like payment reviews and fraud detection tools. Stay informed about potential phishing scams and educate your staff on recognizing them. Regularly update your password and security questions to maintain account integrity. Always ensure your devices are secure and protected by reliable antivirus software. Utilize PayPal's customer support resources if you encounter any issues or have security concerns. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your business using PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.